Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to solve this 3x3 100 times. Okay, so I just reached 300 subscribers, and to celebrate it, I'm going to be solving this Rubik's Cube, but I'm going to solve it 100 times, because this is a 3x3, and 3 times 100 is 300, so I need to scramble it, and I'm going to be scrambling it 100 times too also, and do my first solve right here, and 3, 2, 1, go. Just have to solve this Rubik's Cube.
Did you ever try to do one that was all white?
No, because it's too easy.
I know. Okay.
77. And 100! Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. I'm very glad I solved this Rubik's Cube 100 times. Thanks for watching my video. I did not want to stop until I reached 100 solves. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you on the next one.